Dear Diary, there's a nice cafe along Halsema Highway with this killer view. Rolling mountains and farm terraces. It's a sky-high diner at roughly 1,807 meters above sea level. If you are here early, you are literally dining with the clouds. But today, we are here for lunch because we just came from the Northern Blossom in Atak in my previous video. The interior is a warm mix of wood and stone, the channel's classic Cordillera architecture. They have a dining area on the first floor and more spaces to dine on the second floor. There's a little balcony view deck where those rolling terraces make for epic picture-perfect shots. Look at those beautiful clouds and mountains and farm fields. These collection of succulents are cute too. They use produce such as fresh highlands vegetables straight from nearby Benguet farms. Talk about farm-to-table meals. Their menu features a variety of traditional Filipino dishes crafted with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Popular offerings include savory stews, grilled meats, and classic vegetable dishes. We ordered their sizzling pork sisig and sweet and sour fish. We also ordered some coffee, perfect for the cold vibe here in the mountains. And now for the moment you have been waiting for. What is the name of this place? This is Casa Calixto. Casa Calixto is a family-friendly restaurant located in Buguias, Benguet, Philippines, along the scenic Halsema Highway. It serves as a convenient stopover for those traveling in Halsema Highway. So if you are ever traveling from Bayoyo to Sagada or Mount Pulag or anywhere passing through Halsema Highway, you can add this cozy restaurant in your itinerary, not just for the food, but for the beautiful mountain view. If you like traveling and cafe hunting too, like and subscribe to join our next adventure. Until the next cafe. Love, VL.